Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken back into the homepage, if you come across a suspicious ad, then simply open up this ad to gain as much details about the poster as you can. Now, once you are inside the advertisement page, you will see the options to hide as well as flag the advertisement, but there is no option to block this poster. However, when you flag a post, it will be added to your hidden list and you will not be able to see this post anymore. You can also copy the email address from the reply button by clicking on the copy option, and now just compose a new email and then use this email address within the to section and just send a random email. Then click on the sent box and then open up this email and click on the three dots at the right side. You will then find the block option which you can click on in order to block this email once you receive a response. And there you have it. That is how you can block someone on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.